I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Ako na.
Talking to myself.
Overexposure ka na.
Said you gotta
Blocking
go,
ka.
go get it. Don't stay long.
Nag-date tayo sa Tagaytay sa isang mamahaling restaurant. Limited lang yung budget ko noon since kakapasa ko lang ng boards and wala pa akong work. So kada order mo ng food, sinasabayan ko ng pagko-compute sa isip kung aabot pa ba yung pera ko. 450 plus 580 plus 275 plus extra rice with service water with service charge. Lamang pa.
For goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, shine, shine. Ooh, I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I can see that this is my moment. This is my time.
Nasalo po, Father.
Tell ya I'm gonna own it. I've made up my mind. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Jomel at Janica Rose, kayo'y naririto ngayon dahil kayo'y humihingi ng pagbabasbas galing sa ating puong may kapal. Kayo rin ay magpapalitan ng pangako na nagawa nyo na dati dahil gagawin ninyo ito dito sa harapan ng altar ng Diyos sa loob ng kanyang tahanan.
When I look back at the past few years we spent together, I cannot help but feel grateful. I have always wanted to use this line from my favorite book. Jomel, please know that I would rather spend one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. You are my adventure in my home, my precious and so much more. Like Sam to Frodo, I will always be here for you. I would simply walk to Mordor if that is what you want to do.
Ganda naman eh.
It's me.
Hindi, ikaw yan. Where's your baby boy? Makabatbait ka, asawa mo. Magmahalan kayo, mas magmahalan pa kayo sa JD. Palaki na naman.
Anin, salamat na binigyan mo kami ng malusog na apo. Asa ka makisig. Yun lang.
Falls down. Even if the sky falls down. All the beauty, all the pain, we'll feel it all, we'll face the waves. Our love will never fade away, it's true. So take my hand, we'll chase the light through the canyons, through the heights. Oh, what a journey living life with you.
Jomel, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Janica Rose na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Yes po, Father. February 15, 2025. Here we are right now on our 6th anniversary sa simbahan kung saan natin pinangarap ikasal kasama ng pamilya natin at lahat ng mahal natin sa buhay. Pinapangako ko sa iyo na hindi kita iiwan, hindi sasaktan, Alam kong kahit anong pagsubok ang dumating, malalagpasan natin basta merong natin.
Uy! Ay, parang alam ko na to. Ikaw magbabayad niyan. Dear Janine, congrats. Ikakasal ka sa akin ulit. Joke. Sana magustuhan mo mga gifts na bigay ko. Sa phone na yon natin ika-capture ang moments natin bilang mag-asawa. At paglaki ni Baby Jorbutch, nagmamahal. Jamel. Thank you very much.
Today, I choose to love you not just for you, who you are today, but for all that you will become. Ipinapangako ko na ikaw lang ang aking mamahalin. Hanggang sa ating pagtanda, sa aking huling paghinga, at sa susunod na buhay, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
I'm alive, got air in my lungs and my heart beats fast. It's a beautiful, crazy life. Oh, oh, oh. I'm alive, half feeling the sun, and I won't look back. I'm running to chase the light. Oh, oh, oh. It's a beautiful, crazy life.
I hope you like this gift. Tama ka na sa kakanood kay paring Hive. Uy, alam mo na ta. Enjoy your Panda Watch. Treasure every moments that we have because this time is gold. Char. Para alam mo na overtime ka na. Love you. Ay!
Janica Rose, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jomel na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Yes po, Father.
Thank you for making me experience a love I thought I could only read about on books. I love you forever and always, my best friend, my lover, and the someone I could always call me.